Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going rustic and we're going to make this rustic country sign that I absolutely adore. Stay tuned guys, let's get crafting. So I had some old wood left over and it just ended up being the perfect size to make this frame for this gift bag, which I got a couple years ago. I still love the red truck, but you can use any gift bag that you would like. In August, when Hobby Lobby put out their Christmas decor, in the clearance section was two of these. They were both marked down from $15.99 to $1, and it was because the M was broken on both of them. So I snagged both of them because I knew I could figure out a way to hide that. And then I just took my gift bag and cut it so that just the front was cut out. That's the only part of the gift bag that I needed. So I cut all around the edges until I had the front of the gift bag totally cut out. Then it was time to make my frame. Wood screws would have been ideal, but I didn't have any long enough. So I ended up drilling holes in both edges of the wood. And then I had some dowels. So I just cut a dowel down to size, added some wood glue, and secured those into each, put the dowel in each of the holes to secure those two together. Then I flipped it over to the back and I came in with my staple gun just to keep it held together. This is probably the redneck way to make a frame, but it worked for me. And I tried other ways to do this before showing this to you, and this just worked the best. So then once I had all of the frame put together, I flipped it over and added some more staples. I positioned the frame on the gift bag to see where I wanted the red truck and everything to show. And then I just flipped it over and added more staples and then cut the excess off. While I was drilling the holes, of course, I saved my sawdust, because if you want to fill in where you drilled, all you have to do is add a little bit of hot glue and throw some sawdust in there, and it will blend it in with the wood. And then since I had so much sawdust left over, I actually put it in a little cup and saved it for future projects where I'll want to do this again on any wood pieces that I'm making. So I hate doing big projects because it's so hard to film, but I'm doing my best here. Taking that broken Merry Christmas sign, I hot glued it to the top of the frame. That worked really well because I actually knocked this off my table and nothing broke apart. I had some really thick burlap and I wanted to add something to the edges of this so that I would be able to put a staple in the front. So I cut it in half and I stapled it to each side of this frame. That way I could actually add a staple to secure those two pieces just for added security to keep them together. I'm going to show you in a step further down how to hide that staple. But I put a staple in the front and I put a staple in the back to hold the burlap. To hide the broken M, I grabbed some leaves out of my stash and some berries off of a pick. I just cut the leaves off, I hot glued them to that broken part of the M, and I added 3 berries. Now to hide that staple that I have in the front, I just cut a little square off of that burlap and I hot glued it right over the staple. It blended right in with the burlap. You couldn't see the staple and you really couldn't see that little piece that I added. You could even add a hanger to the back of this if you want to hang it on the wall, but I know this is going to be going on a table. I don't have my house decorated yet, even though you're seeing this in December. To get these 25 videos done, I started in August, so I can't wait to use this, but I think this screams rustic country. It's so cute, and I was able to utilize some spare wood, a bag, and that Merry Christmas that was on clearance for $1 at Hobby Lobby, Home Depot. It was at Hobby Lobby. And I just utilized what I had and it came together so nicely. And like I said, I just love rustic country Christmas and I can't wait to use this. This was video number 5 in my 25 videos to Christmas countdown, a video a day. So I've been a busy girl. I hope you enjoyed this. This is so easy and you might not have all of these materials, but look to see what you got. I'm sure you have something laying around the house that you can make into a rustic country decor. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that like button, it really helps me out. And hit that bell for future notifications. I love y'all. Have a blessed and wonderful day. And I'll see y'all again tomorrow. Bye, y'all.